Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzy's. This is a Stihl KM94RC combi unit. It's coming with a few problems, like I've changed the cowling on here and it wouldn't run properly. Yeah, sprayed some carb cleaner over it. There was a leak on the carburetor, so I replaced the carburetor. Then I found there was another leak somewhere else, so I sorted that out, and eventually it starts and runs, but won't rev. And I'll give you a demonstration. Choke on. You rev it up and it dies. Well, I suspect that the exhaust is blocked. So how can I try it? Let's run it without the exhaust! Right, exhaust is off. I'll try and do something with the audio. Otherwise, be prepared to turn your volume down. So let's fire it up! Fire it up! Well, it runs. And taking a look at the exhaust, which is oily out there and mucky in there, I've got to clean it out, and the only way to do that is with with my little burner. Just a simple butane burner. This is a shaft out of a Stihl combi unit, and it's already starting to smoke. Oops. Why does the smoke always go towards you? That close the workshop door, otherwise it will get in there. That's empty. And next thing I do, I've got to drop it in some water. Okay, now I've baked it and burnt it out. Bit of carbon. And that there is a lot clearer, because when I actually had it lit, was burning it, that was totally engulfed. So I'll put an airline through it, blow the rest of the muck I can out, and let's reattach it to the combi unit. This is what I knocked out the exhaust, and that's my thumb in comparison. Yeah, fair bit of muck. Right, exhaust tightened, backed on, copper slipped. So let's fire it up and see if it revs. Well, there's an improvement. A lot of an improvement. Just need to do some last tuning on it after I put the air filter and the cowling back on. But basically, that's it done. So there you are, folks. That's how I diagnosed a blocked exhaust, and that's how I cleaned it out. Don't worry about those tubs that were inside, they're empty, and if they ever held anything, they're dirty engine oil. So very, very, very little chance of them going up in flames or whatever. The other tub I had is a Stihl one. That's full of 20 litres of old knackered fuel. That one I definitely wouldn't put near the blower near it. But yeah, basically, little burner, take the bolts out, hang it on something, heat it up, wait till it smokes and the smoke really stops dropping down, then throw it in a bucket of water. That way the sudden contraction of that oil will break it off and you can knock out crap like that. And there were some chunks in it, and that will then clear your exhaust out. Give it a bang, give it a blow, put it back on, and hey presto, off it was revving. I've just dried it up now, it's the next day, and 5 pulls, off it run, a little tune on the carburetor, and hey presto, it's revving quite happily. So if you found that helpful, folks, please hit the like and maybe the subscribe button, and take care and be safe, and see you next video. Bye.